How to use Google Translate in Facebook Messenger. So if you want to translate certain text to some language in Facebook Messenger, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So here you just can tap over the message and you can send. But if you want to translate, then you need to download a certain app. For that you have to go back and you just have to open up to Google Play Store. So tap over the search bar and search for Google Translate. You will be easily able to see this application. Here I have already installed this application. You just can tap over the install, which will be available over here, and once it's installed you can go for open. So here you can see you can enter the text over here and translate it into any language that you want. So let's go back to Messenger over here, and if it's the text that you want to translate, then you just have to press and hold over the text and go for copy. And after that you have to go back to the Google Translate and tap over the enter text and go for paste option. And after a few seconds you can see it has been translated into the language that you want. So this is how easily you can use Google Translate in Facebook Messenger. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.